Hey family, it's your girl Lady D and I am back with another mukbang. It is Fish Fry Friday, y'all. That's right, Fish Fry Friday. So I'm having fish today. I have catfish nuggets and jack salmon, whole jack salmon. And I got some breadsticks that I got from Fazoli's. I got some spaghetti with meat sauce from Fazoli's, and I got a salad. So that's what I'm having today, y'all. I'm hoping that the spaghetti tastes okay. Didn't feel like doing no cooking today. And I knew I wanted fish, so I'm like, what can I have with my fish? And we ride down the street and looked up and saw Fazoli's, and I'm like, they got spaghetti and all kind of pastas. Let's see what it do. You know, the pasta to spaghetti ratio can't never be right, y'all. But I'm gonna make it do what it do. I got my slap your mama in the building in case it don't have enough seasoning. So how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. I am doing great. Thank you so much for asking. I'm gonna let you know even if you don't care. I'm doing all right. A little bit anyway. A little bit. I'm doing all right a little bit. If that makes sense. Sometimes you wonder, who am I to complain? You know what I mean? So, yeah. No matter what you're going through, it's always somebody else probably doing a little bit worse. So, yeah. Because if I start complaining, y'all gonna say, well, be quiet, please. Dang. Is anything going right for you? Y'all gonna be like, is anything going right for you? I woke up this morning. And for my drink, y'all, I got Big Red. I already started on it. I was thirsty. And I got some water. Yep. Told y'all my ice broke. My ice maker broke. And I did get the one I ordered. It came in. I just got him waiting on Slim to hook it up and get it running for me. Get that ice, get it going. He fishing today, y'all. He fishing. So, but I'm gonna jump him when he hit that dough. Get that ice maker together, bro. Got me a little hot sauce for my fish. Just that Chef Paul magic pepper sauce. I've told y'all before back in the beginning when I first started making videos. If you don't know about Chef Paul, go online. Chef Paul Perdone. That's that magic pepper sauce. Awesome. I order it offline. Got me a little tartar sauce. Excuse me, burping already. Burping already, and ain't even started eating. Let's see. It ain't bad. It ain't the best. It tastes like, you know, like you would expect from a buffet or something. Get my food off the plate. Got this fish from the grocery store. I called in and had them fried for me. Neighborhood Schnucks Market. And while I was there, I also picked up me a salad for later. That's that 7-layer salad. That's what that is. Y'all know what? Matter of fact, this yeah, my breadsticks. Did I say I had? Did I say right? Could I talk about my breadsticks, huh? You feel me with my spaghetti? I usually get spaghetti, salad, and 2 breadsticks for $6. That's their lunch special at Fazoli's. And then they have different pastas to choose from. And it ain't bad, y'all, actually. My breadsticks are phenomenal. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna jack salmon. I'm gonna keep thinking about that jack. You like that? Or whitey? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's good, y'all. I ain't offer y'all nothing. It's that good flaky white meat. Mm-hmm. It's good. Mm. It's really good. And what y'all eating on? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you eat. Mm-hmm. I'm hungry, y'all. You know you're hungry when you get the chest get to jumping and carrying on when you're eating and drinking. Mm-hmm. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Excuse me. Back and turn on. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna have fish in a minute. I got about 3 bags in the freezer that I bought from Sam to take fish for life. But you gotta thaw it out, clean it, season it, and cook it. And I ain't have all that time or energy, y'all. I'm just gonna keep it real. Hungry. I was hungry now. Boom. Jack salmon. With that one bone down the center. Going in too hard to. The fish that's not too hard to eat. Mm-hmm. Excuse my background, my side grounds, and promise one day I'm gonna work on getting my setup a little better. But y'all know how it is when you work. Still trying to carry on. Couldn't go along. Here we go. This hand is bothering me. I don't know if it's Arthur or what. But I'm feeling a little self-conscious about it. I be holding it up. I find myself doing it like this or like this. And I have to say relax and put it down off the camera. Cramping up on me, y'all. Or at the tight while I'm at work or anything. No, the spaghetti one bird. It's on. Put that little slap your mama on it. It was alright. You see, it's gone off the plate. So I had a catfish nugget. Tomato sauce and hot sauce. Won't you eat on your fish? Tomato sauce, hot sauce, cocktail sauce. Eat it plain. Lemon. What? Somebody come through my front door, y'all. I hope I don't. Well, look what the wind blew in. I told you he was fishing. He walking through the door. Oh, you want to be on tape today? Well, I guess I'll get my ice maker put together and put. Oh, y'all got a little net in here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Everybody always want to be in pictures. I've knocked you down. I got you. I got him, y'all. I got him. I got him. I got him. You won't be in the next film, honey. You won't be. You want some fish while it's hot? You want some fish while it's hot? Or lukewarm or something? You say or you say huh?
Cancel it because they're gonna charge me for it.
What you saying?
You done moved on.
If you had any in there, I put them in that thing on the side of the chair in the big envelope, big manila envelope. Ooh wee. Big red ain't bad. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Ooh. Good food now, y'all. And bread. Mm. Took my salad. Get it on. I get it though. You believe? Mm. Some of that wild. Wild. Some of that wild. Oh boy. Okay, y'all. That's about all I can do. I'd like to thank y'all for checking out this video, taking time to spend with me today. See what I'm gonna have for lunch. Please, I'm asking you to like this video, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to this channel if you're not already a member. You know I love to have you. And until next time, next video, remember you're always welcome here at Lady D's, where you'll never leave here hungry. We always got leftovers. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.